So here I have a smart TV, and you probably have the same issue, and basically half the screen is completely dark. So it's like a issue probably with the power supply board, there's like a gradient line in the middle. So let's open this up and have a look. For TV, I'm just going to be using a pillow to kind of put on the table to lay it down on. That will remove a clipless TV, and for clipless TV, open here. So I'm just using a butter knife and then going, or a spoon rather. I usually use some markers and I put them in there so it doesn't clip back. So I have these kind of markers that I just stick in. Inside, so your main board is fine because, well, maybe not. You never know, but I presume that it's okay. And this is your power supply board, and you can see that this is where the LEDs go into the back. So it could be just a bad connection too, because I know that these boards are clicked in, and that's not too stable. Okay. So this is the board out, and this will also give us access to the backlights. I'm going to just try to ram this back in. You never know, could have been a bad connection. Okay, so let's plug it in and see if we're getting the backlight on now. Trial and error. Okay, we plugged it in. And you can see the glow here. Yeah, so it does look like it is a backlight issue. I do hear humming. But normally if you take off this, you should see on both sides the backlight. You can see down in there the brightness. It's only half the screen lighting up. So it's probably a backlight issue. Disconnect it here. I'm gonna have to take this TV apart, and that means taking off all this stuff at the bottom. The speakers clip off here. So let's take out the speakers, and then there's this metal plate that covers the screen that we need to remove. Okay. And then this has these little plastic tabs that you just pull down. And to get to the backlights, we have to remove the LCD screen. So you're going to flip up these tabs here and then remove the cable. Just so that these things are easy to flip back onto the screen when we flip over the TV. So this is, you want it to be loose like that. So now we need to flip over the TV again. Now what you want to do is, there's these black tabs that you want to pry out and then kind of lift off the outer case here and remove the outer plastic bezel. You kind of just use your hands now. Just pry it. Okay. The screen part right here. And we'll tape it on. We'll use 2 suction cups. And this is flexible, so that can bend, that's fine. And then these filter papers I want to tape together. Now this has plexiglass in there. So this is inside your TV and you're like, what? There's no LEDs, right? But you can see that the LED connector is right here and it goes to the very bottom and you have 2 strips. So I have an LED tester right here, and what this can do is it can inject some voltage and we can see if a strip is working or not. I noticed that there was some kind of corrosion between these contacts here, and I cleaned it up. It's kind of scraped them up, and then it started to work. So I don't know if that has fixed the issue or not. Just make sure that the wires are in here okay. Connector there, where it goes negative, positive, negative, positive, and the same here, it would be positive, negative, positive, negative. And you can see I'm getting half the screen there. And I'm measuring 107 volts. So they're probably 3 volts each light. No, each one are 6. Each one are 6 volts here. Okay, so I'm going to plug in the TV and see if it works now. So I plugged it in, and you can see that the strip is all going. So it could be that one of the LEDs is getting bad and it didn't work, or it could have been that it was just shorting out on one of them. So I'm just going to leave it here for a bit. But you can see that all the lights are working. So before it was just because one strip could have been like a loose connection either here, just wiggle it all, But I think it was actually the connection down in here. This scraping up there and it could have got corroded over time, but it seems to be working okay now. Yep. Dynamic is really bright, so that's probably not the best.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.